Day 9. We made it all the way to Colmar last night from Basel. That was 56 and a half miles. It was super easy riding. It was just perfectly flat, shady, just a canopy of trees most of the way. Yeah, just a really enjoyable ride. We didn't leave Basel until about 1 o'clock, so made some good time here. And today we're gonna just kind of take it easy, walk around Colmar and the other 3 cities around it. Probably won't do a whole lot of biking today, but will be our day of rest in beautiful Colmar.
We have to be tourists today.
Biking through Switzerland, there's a water fountain or a place to refill your water bottle like every 5 minutes. And in France, that doesn't exist. We were biking for a solid 2 hours without any place to refill. So when you get into France, make sure you got some water. But at least we're not the only ones walking up. There's got to be a 10%, 12. It's steep.
But we wanted to show you this amazing little place that we found that was just right off the main street. The beautiful lumber that they have here. I'm sure it's hundreds of years old. Plenty of luggage space and room for both of our bikes. We don't even have to walk around the stairs to our tour. Take time to pause and look out the window at our lovely neighbors. Flowers, parks in the shutters. Please join us to the lovely loft area, where we will find 2 comfy twin-size beds. And then to our surprise, to the right, we have a whole nother section to investigate. Follow me. Down the stairs, through the passageway, to the master suite. You'll find your own queen-size bed, lovely views of the garden, and a private ensuite bath with shower and sink.
And this place we just booked last minute on our bike tour was $125 a night. And the restaurant looked really cool. It has a lot of character outside.
Yeah.
About 5:30, so we can park our bikes and just spend the rest of the evening wandering the streets like drunk American tourists.
Vive la France! Hello!
I have the important job.
Sorry.
Or actually, you take over.
Want me to drizzle it on the whole thing?
Maybe half. Actually, you can do the whole thing. That looks like actual melted chocolate.
Not just lightly, and then if you want to add more, you can add more. There's still a lot in there.
And with that, we close out day 9.